Hi, friends. It's Mrs. McCarver, and it's time for today's reading lesson. Today, we're going to continue talking about our nonfiction books. And I don't know about you, but this week, as I've been reading my nonfiction books, I've kind of focused on two. I've been learning so much that it's kind of hard to remember all this stuff. I've talked about key details and the main topic, and oh gosh, now see, I can't even remember it. Oh yeah, my expert words. There's so much going around in my brain. It's kind of hard for me to remember everything. So today what I want to show you is something you can do while you're reading. And to do it, you might need some sticky notes. We've sent some in your bag. And you know what? If you can't find them or you don't have them, you can always use your whiteboard and marker, a notebook, or just a piece of paper you have around the house. So today we're going to talk about two places we might use our sticky notes. First, we might use a sticky note to mark an important part. And then we might use a sticky note to jot. That's when you write something kind of quickly about your thinking. I'm not writing a whole book. I'm just writing something down quickly that I want to remember. So let me show you what that looks like in the book I've been reading, Flutter Butterfly. All right, friends. So I have my sticky notes and my pencil ready, and I'm going back to my Flutter Butterfly book. And as I write today, I'm going to try to mark the important parts or jot about something I learned in this book so I can talk about it later. Flutter Butterfly. A butterfly lands on a plant. It lays an egg. The new egg is yellow. Maybe that's something important that I would like to mark. And so when I find an important part, I put a sticky note on it, and then I do this. I put an exclamation point or exclamation mark there to remind myself that this is important. So I'm going to come back to that. Many days pass. The egg turns brown. A caterpillar grows inside the egg. Oh, I think that's something really important to note because you know what? Even though this butterfly laid the egg, is there a butterfly in there? No. Inside the egg is a caterpillar. So I might mark that with a sticky note and jot about it. And I'm going to just say a caterpillar. It's okay if you don't know how to spell everything, or you could quickly look at the book. Sorry, I guess you can't see that very well. A caterpillar is in the egg. That's important information because a butterfly laid this egg. Sorry, friends. There it is. A caterpillar is in the egg. So let me keep reading and see if I find one more place to mark or stop and jot. Then the egg hatches. The caterpillar comes out. The young caterpillar is black. That's not too important yet. You know what? I remember this part back here. After many weeks, the caterpillar changes. Now it's a pupa. I am going to mark this part because I think this is super important. It has an expert word that I didn't know before. I'm going to use my pen so you can see it better. And I put that exclamation point on there or exclamation mark. So I have found three places where I either jotted, I found a key detail, or I jotted about an important part in my book. All right, friends, you saw me mark some places in my book that were either an important part or a place where I wanted to jot down something that I was thinking. Try to keep some paper if you have your sticky notes or your notebook or whiteboard and marker near you today when you read your nonfiction book. After you take the time to read, I'm going to ask you to send me a video, of a place that you marked in your book.